Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a bit of a deep dive into the specs and fine details of our standard 10x5 tandem axle rolling chassis trailer, which has a 1990 kilogram ATM. Come with me, let's take a closer look. Starting right up at the front with our robust drawbar, crafted from 100 by 50 by 3mm RHS, runs about 1600mm in length and has passed the rigours of FEA testing. That's quality you can trust. Right here is our 50mm ball override coupling, which also controls the mechanical disc brakes. Just adjacent, we have our multi-fit light plug holder accommodating both flat and round plug designs. Something worth pointing out is our dual 2.5 tonne ADR approved safety chains connected firmly with rated chain connectors. And just a heads up, the trusty 8-inch swing-up jockey wheel is a standard feature. Here you'll spot the front position lights and reflectors. Depending on the trailer's size, those reflectors might double up as marker lights. And just like our other models, this trailer is protected with an etch primer undercoat, followed by a layer of industrial enamel paint. It's a combo that's as tough as nails. The chassis design features a 75 by 50 by 3mm RHS outer, backed by 50 by 50 by 2.5mm SHS and cross bracing, spaced approximately 350mm apart. While this one doesn't come with an upgraded checker plate floor, if needed, we use a solid 2.1 checker plate. Our precision cut mudguards, in line with the trailer's overall aesthetics, delivers a polished look, further enhanced by their twin 45-degree front folds. And of course, we're staunch supporters of Aussie-made steel. All right, let's talk about what keeps this trailer moving. We're looking at two 45mm solid axles, backed by 7 leaf slipper springs, 10-inch disc brakes, and 14-inch light truck tyres. If you fancy any upgrades, just say the word. Around to the back, you'll see we've fitted a full-length light bar packed with top-quality lights. They're good for both 12 and 24-volt setups, ensuring you're lit up and safe, no matter your electrical preference. This model boasts a payload capacity of approximately 1,600 kilograms. Want more? We've got ATM upgrades ready to go, giving you a beefier chassis, top-end running gear, and electric brakes. Dive into our website for this trailer and a heap of other models, and if you can't find a trailer to perfectly suit you, our experts are on standby to bring your unique trailer dreams to life. Until next time, drive safely and happy towing.